Did you see how that operator got thrown off? That YakB 12.7 nearly turned the entire firing position into a disaster. This is a 4-barrel rotary machine gun Gatling gun developed for an Mi-24 attack helicopter. Normally, it sits inside a powered chin turret where the helicopter's structure, bearings, and controls absorb all the recoil. In this video, it was removed and placed on a rotating pedestal, almost like a DShK or Kord heavy machine gun. All three of these weapons fire the same huge 12.7 by 108mm cartridge, but the DShK, the Kord, fire around 600 rounds per minute. And no, I won't say DShK. So, at 600 rounds per minute, the Kord and the DShK fire 10 rounds per second. The YakB can fire between 4,000 and 5,000 rounds per minute. That's more than 70 rounds per second. So, instead of a separate manageable recoil, the mount experiences what feels like one enormous continuous shove. The DShK or Kord may produce around 40 kilograms or 90 pounds of force when firing. The YakB takes it up to 300 kilograms to 540 kilograms. That's 650 to 1,200 pounds of force, and that's continuous. That's like trying to hold back a large motorcycle while sitting in a freely rotating office chair. But you might ask, why did it spin sideways if recoil we know always pushes backwards? That's most likely because the gun was not mounted directly in line with the center of the pedestal. The recoil was acting slightly to one side of the pivot. That turned the entire gun into a giant lever. Think of opening a door, right? You push near the hinges, the door doesn't really care. But as soon as you push on the handle, the door swings immediately. Also, the rotating barrels of the Gatling gun may have given a small amount of initial twist. The real problem was the massive recoil, most likely acting off-center on a pedestal with almost no braking or locking resistance. And a normally heavy machine gun tripod probably wouldn't have saved it. Those mounts are designed for about 10 shots per second, not 70 or 80. For comparison, the Predator M134 Minigun can fire a similar rate, but it uses a much smaller 7.62x5.1 NATO cartridge. Each YakB round is several times heavier and carries around 5 times the energy. That's why real rotary guns are usually hard mounted to helicopters, vehicles, ships, or aircraft, and sometimes to Jesse Ventura. The YakB didn't spin because Gatling guns naturally fire sideways. It spun because somebody placed an aircraft weapon on a wrong mount and gave it several hundred kilograms of recoil. The perfect lever to take control.